back to my channel again. I'm here with my mom, and the last time I posted a video was, I guess, during the vacation when I was at my mama's place, and after that I haven't been active here. I haven't posted anything on my Insta or anywhere else. The reason being, over to mom.
So after coming from there, we are again back to our routine, settling down to bit a week, and then we had to take the appointment for her denture, for her treatment of the teeth.
Drum roll. So the last update that I had given you all was that my left side of the teeth is taken care of. Implants हो गए, stitches निकल गए, सब कुछ हो गया. And we were like, we'll take a rest of like a month or two. That's what the dentist told us. उसी के बीच में
Dentist realized that even the right side has to be taken care the same way as left had to be taken. So suddenly he said that it's better that we do the whole thing, because the teeth color will not match, and again the same procedure. When you are already into the procedure, let us decide to
go ahead with the full
with the
set,
full set
of
of the upper teeth.
Yeah. ह्या प्रोसिजरचं काय झालं, कसं झालं?
आधी तर त्यानेच अपॉइंटमेंट, त्यानेच फोन केला, आपल्याला करायचं आहे ना. तेव्हा मग हे आल्यावरती मी पण तिला थोडं परस्यू केलं, म्हटलं त्याचा फोन येऊन गेला आहे डॉक्टरांचा, तर आपण डिसाईड करून त्यांना कळवूयात. म्हणून मग आम्ही अपॉइंटमेंट घेतली आणि त्याच्याकडे गेलो आणि बघितलं त्याने सगळं पुन्हा, आणि सांगितलं की आता आपल्याला वरचे 3 दात काढावे लागणार आहेत. अपॉइंटमेंट घेतली, सगळं मेंटली प्रिपेअर, फिजिकली प्रिपेअर करून गेलो, आणि मग तिथे थोडंसं रडारडी झाली. क्वाईट नॅचरल आहे, नथिंग रॉंग, की स्ट्रेस हा येतोच. तर डॉक्टर पण अगं एवढं सगळं केलं, आता काय झालं, इतकं
seeing me cry a little bit, that doctor was also like की अरे एवढं काय होतं,
ती करून देते की नाही, करायचं आहे ना आपल्याला. ती म्हणाली ओके. देन शी गॅदर्ड करेज अगेन. आणि ते निडलची आधीच भीती आणि पेन, मग तो म्हणाला आपण ठीक आहे आधी स्प्रे मारून ते बधीर करू, म्हणजे निडल टच केलेली पण कळणार नाही.
इट्स अ मिथ.
हां, इट्स अ मिथ. म्हणजे त्यांनी त्याच्या पद्धतीने काळजी घेतली, आणि मग छिन्नी हातोडी घेऊन करतात तसं. बापरे,
लिटरली हॅमर घेऊन
म्हणजे कळत होतं की ते ठोकून, कारण की दे वर गुड इन कंडिशन, बट दे वुड हॅव गिव्हन अ ट्रबल इन फ्युचर.
घरी येऊन पण अगेन खूप रडले मी, अँड आय थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ टँट्रम, अँड genuinely I felt this side was more painful than the left one,
because the left side was already damaged.
Yeah,
so it didn't take much efforts for him to take it out also. But here he had to take more efforts.
Yeah.
And he did tell it. And on side also matters. The position in which you are.
Right.
To take it out also it took a long time. Right. Initially he wanted to take out only 2. But then
he had to take 3 out. Yeah.
Okay. Got the stitches out. She had a bit pain.
Yeah.
He gave a call. Okay, on Friday he must have waited when Swapna is giving a call and giving me an appointment. So finally she said it's still paining. He said okay, it will pain. That was a bit deeper and also in so many things. But those stitches can't be kept there, no, just because it is paining. So we went and got the thing out.
Right. So that's where we are at currently. So the stitches are gone. So we'll be waiting for a couple of weeks, and then we will decide when to put the implants and everything. And then again, like the left side, same procedure. Like wait for a couple months, and then finally the upper teeth.
Whole denture.
Yeah, the whole
upper teeth.
So
the smiling teeth will be.
Yeah.
There again.
So yeah, she did pay me a compliment in the morning, like when we were walking to the dentist. So what was it that you said, that something about the mask?
While walking down, she met rather common friends, her favorite aunts. It was conversing. So finally I told her, Swapna, did you realize that you are out without a mask today? Others you were so cautious.
I was cautious. Yeah. So I thought कि इतना सब कुछ हो गया है, so why not make like a fun kind of a video, because past few videos apart from that vacation vlog, they have all been about my health update and teeth ka thing and this and that. I myself got bored. Yeah. So then I thought, let me make some fun video with my mom. So, do you have any idea what this video is going to be about? No.
You did send me something.
So before we proceed into the video, do tell me guys, that this time the whole of my patita missing. So in the previous video, she did mention that you guys will be able to tell me any difference in my speech and stuff like that. So इस बार भी अगर कुछ difference लग रहा है आपको, now that the whole upper set is missing, बात करने में या pronunciation में ऐसा कुछ, तो बता देना मुझको.
Today she realized, sitting in the dispensary there, oh, lingual. I said, oh, a language teacher, lingual.
अरे
Where do we touch our teeth to pronounce certain words like th? Teeth do play a major role in our pronunciation, which is connected to speech therapy
Yeah.
or correct pronunciation. So every place we learn something new. Term is there, but
Yeah.
who goes into the depth?
Yeah, so there was this poster of the different braces and the different dental procedures and stuff like that. So I used to keep on reading it, but then today it's stuck like, okay, lingual. Okay. So today what I'm going to do is like I have picked out a few questions, 15 to be precise, and the answers to that question, those questions are to be given by you. I'm pretty sure you haven't
So you're
read those.
putting me on test.
You may say so. Let me see if she is able to answer them for me and for all of you.
Let me sit upright.
Get ready. Okay, so I have those questions right here on Mama's phone because I sent it to her last night, hoping that she would read and also not read, because I know then the answers would be rehearsed. But yeah, I'm pretty sure she hasn't gone through my messages. So let's begin. Are you ready for the questions? Okay. What's my favorite movie and why? All
Two states.
two states? Okay, that's one of my favorite movies, but why? वो reason भी बता.
No, it has got a very different kind of people coming from different place and
Yeah, so
uniting
वो
together.
culture
and
का
going
touch है
to-
थोड़ा,
yes.
and Alia looks so pretty in that,
हाँ.
and the songs of course.
Of course.
So yeah. Then, what's my favorite food of all times?
Favorite food. Something made out of paneer.
Okay, makes sense. Yeah. What is my most favorite childhood memory, which I keep on remembering even today, recalling even today?
Your time you spend with your grandparents.
Makes sense. Yes. What is my favorite hobby or pastime activity?
Drawing and painting. These days.
Okay. Yeah. Recent. Yeah. That's
Formerly
very
it was
recent.
books, reading books.
Those still are. I
Huh.
mean, like I would prefer picking up a book over a movie or something like that any time of the day. But yeah. What am I most afraid of?
Darkness.
True. Which place have I always wanted to visit, like top of my bucket list? And we haven't visited that place yet. It's a hill station, yeah. So ironic, I am not a hills person, mountains person, but still.
Darjeeling.
Yeah, correct. Which is my most favorite book and why?
So many favorite books.
Again,
And
same
Frank.
like movies. And Frank, yeah.
I remember I had gifted it to you at the
On my
right
13th,
age.
on my 13th birthday, yeah, right. What is the one thing I'm good at? One thing that I'm good at.
Smile.
I'm good at smiling. Yeah, I always keep. I'm not that killjoy and crybaby person at all. Which one word or phrase do I always use? It could be in any language.
शिकली माझ्याकडनं.
Okay, yeah, I do use that quite a lot these days, but
Because
that's,
the thing is, I have learnt everything from you. No, you said
yeah,
that.
वो तो है. I'm a genius. Okay, but that's not something I always use. Like,
मी साधी सोजोळ सुशील
वो तो है. Yeah.
सुशिक्षित.
हाँ, मी किती साधी आहे,
Yeah.
मी किती शहाणी आहे. What quality in people do I dislike the most? It could be
People
anybody.
who body shame others.
Yeah, वो तो है, मतलब that is तो norm कि नहीं मत पड़ो किसी के झंझट में, but
People enjoy doing that. They feel
So that- but
satisfied.
that is wrong and
So we
we-
can't.
No.
Okay, we can correct them
हाँ,
and keep on
exactly.
telling
We-
them. Yes.
it's not a good thing to even keep quiet if you find
Of
something
course,
wrong.
Of course not. Of course
But yeah, that is what I dislike the most. I think the thing that I dislike the most among people is that when they give lame excuses for being late. Because I'm somebody who likes
punctuality. Those who don't
yeah.
be punctual.
I mean, like,
and promises.
Yeah.
Others don't give the timing.
Exactly.
Don't promise. anything.
Approximation दे दो. Like I am somebody के I hate being late myself.
Even
and if
I
I am अगर 5-10 मिनट भी हो रहा है लेट या कुछ, I make it a point to inform that person कि listen, I'm getting late by so much time. This time I'm very sorry about that.
Okay.
ऐसा. Okay, then who is my role model and why? Someone I keep on I have been talking about since my childhood.
Nanda Keskar, miss?
Ma'am, yeah. When it comes to teaching, she was my English teacher in school, and everything about her just
You see
rings
your
in my
reflection.
ears. Yeah.
Your reflection.
I
Her
do.
reflection in you.
I do. Like apart from that, anyone else comes to your mind whom I used to talk about a lot when I was a child? About whom I learnt in my textbooks, basically. Sudha Chandran.
Huh.
Right. So I learnt about her in my 3rd standard in an English lesson in my textbook, English textbook. And since then, I used to always tell my parents, like whenever any medical procedure came up, like if Sudha can dance with one leg missing, with one fake leg, I to have 2 working legs, even if they are hurting, even if they are injured. So why can't I do things if she can? It's my dream to meet her in person once in life.
Best of luck, you surely meet her.
Thanks. Next, which is my favorite time of the day?
Afternoon.
Afternoon naps. So let me clear here, I'm not a morning person at all. If given a choice or if I had the liberty and the privilege, I wouldn't wake up before 10 o'clock. Which is my least favorite thing or a chore in the house to do.
Dusting, cleaning, washing.
Depends, but I do like it's here like अच्छा Saturday Sunday मला विंडोज क्लीन करायचे, Saturday Sunday मला हे टेबलचं हे आवरायचं आहे. But something that I always run away from is like laundry. I cannot handle laundry. जरी ते फक्त मशीनमध्ये कपडे टाकणं किंवा काढून वाळत टाकणं एवढं असेल तरी.
But there is no escape, no, at least your own.
Yeah,
clothes, if not
but
everybody's.
हाँ, but then वो जान निकल आती है उसमें मेरी. Then which websites or social media sites do I frequently use? Instagram. These days, Instagram, yeah. Which is one thing that makes me cry very easily. I'm curious to know if you know this.
My shout.
That is loud voices. Yeah, that won't make me cry easily. Like, that would trigger me. Like, cry very easily is like any content that I consume which relates to body shaming, disability shaming, image shaming, or then not valuing that individual for what he or she is. ऐसे वाले जो भी कंटेंट होते हैं, चाहे वो बुक में हो, न्यूज़पेपर्स में हो, रील्स पे हो, वीडियोस पे हो, फिल्म्स में, रॉन्ग काइंड ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन और इन्फीरियर सॉर्ट ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन में मेरे ऐसे आंसू निकल आते हैं कि यार अरे इतना भी
दैट सेंसिटिविटी हैज टू बी
मैं बहुत सेंसिटिव, उसमें बहुत सेंसिटिव हूँ मैं. ओके, एंड देन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज which is my most favorite music genre or the kind of music I very frequently listen to?
Punjabi.
हाँ, like upbeat music.
Arjit Singh.
हाँ, the good ones, the romantic ones. रोतलू वाले नहीं, मैं skip कर देती हूँ मैं वो. हाँ, रोतलू वाले नहीं, romantic वाले जो होते हैं वो. Even सोनू निगम and all the feel good ones. You did pretty good. You guys tell me what do you think, how did she do? And I do think I
think so I was very prompt at some of the questions. Somewhere I could not.
Yeah, so where she was clueless about it or probably not sure कि क्या है क्या नहीं है, तो I was there to give my own input. So yeah, so this was a fun thing to do. Yeah, we should be doing that more frequently, right? So we should be doing more yes no kind of.
That's what people are jealous of sometimes. They say envious.
Yeah, we keep on getting this quite a lot कि तुम लोग माँ बेटी लगते नहीं हो. You seem to be, your bond seems to be more like that of friends and all. So I'll give 90% of the credit to her because she is somebody who gels with all kinds of age groups. And she can talk about all the topics across age groups whenever she is holding a conversation with someone. So do tell me in the comments how did you like this video and what other kind of videos do you want me to come up with. The next few videos that will come are going to be sit down videos only. and yeah, that's
Making
it.
cookies and biscuits.
You want me to vlog that? Okay,
No.
Uh-huh.
Means I will be shooting how you are making that messy thing and then how it is prepared and how the final product. No, see, we are not experts.
Right.
We are
Yeah,
making
but it's
experiments.
fun.
And
Right,
it's
right,
fun. Oh, I
Okay.
made it. Or she
Okay,
made
so ideas देख रहे हो बंदे के? So okay, so I guess the next video that's going to come up in a couple of days is going to be me trying to make cookies. Anything you want to say before we end the video? How did you like shooting today's video? How much fun did you have?
I had a lot of fun. I always enjoy doing it.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'll be waiting for my photography for your next vlog. For next
शूटिंग
video.
या उसको तो बस ना ऐसे ही चाहिए कि मैं ऐसे शूट करूँगी वैसे शूट करूँगी भाई यहाँ पे मेरी स्ट्रगल होती है कि मैं कैसे कर रही हूँ
No,
vlog
but
में।
then editing is left in your hand.
Oh,
I do a
भाई।
lot of shooting.
Oh भाई I'm up for the challenge. I'm up for the challenge. Okay, so this was it for today's video. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, comment down below and do tell me which part you liked the most about today's video, and like, share, comment, subscribe and spread the word about my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.
Bye.